The search for the 84-year-old mother of Today Show host Savannah Guthrie continues in Arizona, with growing concerns that she may have been abducted, with her life being in jeopardy. Nancy Guthrie was last seen at her home in Tucson around 9:30 Saturday night. Officials are saying that she did not leave on her own, calling the home a crime scene. President Trump is going to meet with Colombian President Gustavo Petro at the White House today. The meeting comes after months of tension, including verbal attacks against each other over the U.S. military raid in Venezuela and boat strikes against alleged drug traffickers. This is going to be the first face-to-face meeting between the two, and the focus will be on stopping drug trafficking. And all eyes are on the Super Bowl this Sunday between the Seattle Seahawks and the New England Patriots. It's going to be a rematch of Super Bowl 49, when 11 years ago the Patriots defeated the Seahawks 28-24. The Seahawks are the current betting favorites to win the big game. Super Bowl 60 kicks off Sunday at 6:30 p.m. from Levi's Stadium in Santa Clara, California. For more, you can follow the Fox News Hourly Update on Apple, Spotify, or wherever you listen.